Having trouble finding an affordable home? We've all been there. But have you ever considered a fixer-upper? Picture a home that might need a fresh coat of paint, a kitchen update, or a new bathroom vanity. But beneath it all, it has solid structure and immense potential. It's like a diamond in the rough, waiting for you to polish it into your dream home. Remember, sometimes the perfect home is the one you perfect after buying it. So, what do you truly need in a home? Start by jotting down all the features you desire. Next, divide them into 3 categories: must-haves, nice-to-haves, and dream features. Your must-haves are essential. They make a house work for you. Nice-to-haves are desirable but not deal-breakers, and dream features are your ultimate aspirations. This list will be your compass, guiding you to potential homes. Share this list with your real estate agent to help them find homes that meet your top needs and have the potential to become your dream home. Did you know many real estate agents specialize in finding fixer-uppers? They're like your personal treasure hunters, tapping into their network of inspectors, contractors, and electricians to ensure your diamond in the rough is a sound investment. They can also guide you on which upgrades and renovations can provide the best return on your investment, balancing your dream home aspirations with practical financial wisdom. So when it comes to transforming a fixer-upper into your perfect dwelling, remember, your agent can be a valuable resource in making your fixer-upper into your dream home. If you haven't found a home you love that's in your budget, consider all your options. Remember, fixer-uppers hold a wealth of potential. They're not just a house, but a canvas for your dream home. They're a chance to shape a space into your own, to bring your vision to life within your budget. So don't let budget constraints limit your dreams. Reach out to a real estate agent, explore the possibilities. Sometimes the perfect home for you is the one you perfect after buying it. Let's explore what's available in our area.